The Chinese company PNDbotics unveiled its humanoid robots Adam and Adam U at WAIC 2025, drawing attention with synchronized dances and almost human-like movements powered by advanced AI. Turkey has unveiled TALAY, the first maritime drone capable of stealthily flying over the sea, reaching speeds of 200 kilometers per hour and carrying up to 30 kilograms of cargo or munitions. Engineers in the United States have developed haptic gloves that allow users to feel touches in real time within virtual reality, simulating handshakes, hugs, and even objects as if they were real. The Chinese company Unitree has launched the A2, a robot dog capable of performing backflips, breaking through glass, climbing stairs, and carrying up to 25 kilograms, demonstrating strength and agility for industrial use. In Japan, researchers have developed a drone inspired by falcons that flaps its wings like a bird and can land gently on a person's hand without the need for protective padding. These and other technology news await you, and that's exactly what we're going to explore in today's video, right after the intro. Hey everyone, I'm Jefferson, and you're watching More Technology. If you're a tech enthusiast and like to stay up to date, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and leave a comment below to support the community. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. The military industry never stops surprising. Turkey has unveiled TALAY, the world's first maritime drone capable of flying over the sea at high speed, virtually invisible to radar, and carrying devastating attack power. This model was designed by Solid Aero and is already ready for operation. TALAY can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, carry 30 kilograms of sensors or munitions, and stay on mission for about 3 hours straight, even in rough sea conditions. The secret to its efficiency lies in the so-called ground effect, which allows the drone to fly less than 3 meters above the sea surface, using aerodynamics to gain stability and speed, while staying below the detection line of traditional radars. In addition, TALAY can operate fully autonomously or under human control, performing patrols, reconnaissance missions, light cargo transport, or even direct attacks against enemy vessels. With its compact design, foldable wings, and an electric motor powered by LiPo batteries, it combines stealth, agility, and precision, capable of striking targets with artificial intelligence and pre-programmed coordinates. Experts already point out that a swarm of this type of drone could pose a serious threat even to large warships. Officially presented at IDEFDEF 2025 in Istanbul, TALAY is not just another experimental prototype. It is considered a model ready for use in real maritime and coastal defense missions. TALAY shows how naval warfare could change radically, with drones becoming smaller, faster, and nearly impossible to detect. Now the question remains, to what extent could these drones replace traditional military vessels in future conflicts? The Chinese company Unitree has unveiled the A2, a robot dog that looks like it came straight out of an action movie. It smashes through glass, performs flawless backflips, and tackles extreme terrains with impressive agility. Weighing 37 kilograms, the A2 can carry up to 25 kilograms while in motion and support up to 100 kilograms when stationary, showcasing extraordinary strength. It climbs 30-centimeter stairs, handles ramps up to 45 degrees, and can travel more than 20 kilometers without needing a recharge. The secret lies in its 12 high-density motors, capable of generating 180 newton-meters of torque, giving the robot balance and control not only to run and jump, but also to quickly recover from falls or collisions. In the demonstration video, beyond the backflips and glass-breaking stunts, the A2 is even shown carrying a person on its back, proving its resilience. For navigation, it uses LiDAR sensors in the front and rear, an HD camera, and even a front lighting system, ensuring precise real-time awareness of its surroundings. Designed for industrial and rescue use, the robot features dual swappable batteries for continuous operation, along with support for additional modules such as GPS, 4G, and even Wi-Fi 6. All of this is built into a body made of technical polymers and aluminum alloy, lighter and stronger than the company's previous models. The Unitree A2 is not just a demonstration robot, but a machine built to handle the toughest scenarios, from industrial inspections to rescue operations. The question now is, if a robot is already capable of such strength and agility today, what will happen when these models become common outside the industry? The team at USC Viterbi School of Engineering has developed a haptic glove system capable of bringing the human sense of touch into virtual reality. Now, gestures such as handshakes, pats, or hugs can be felt even from miles away, completely transforming the digital experience. The system works with gloves and armbands equipped with vibration motors that simulate pressure and movement, accurately reproducing the sensations of touch. Each user is represented by a full-body avatar that mirrors real movements, enabling interactions such as passing objects or performing group tasks within the virtual environment. Recent tests have shown that adding touch makes interactions more emotional and engaging, enhancing people's sense of connection. Researchers also analyzed how different gesture speeds and vibration patterns affect emotional responses, providing insights to further improve the technology. The project was born from a deeply human need, the desire to feel close to those who are far away. The study's lead researcher, Primankur Banerjee, shared that he spent more than 5 years away from his loved ones, and that experience inspired the development of this technology. The applications go far beyond entertainment. Hospital patients, students in hybrid classrooms, and people separated by work or travel could use this technology to feel the presence of family and friends, something digital communication has not been able to provide until now. According to the researchers, touch is essential for human well-being, and bringing this sensation into virtual environments could be a decisive step toward making our digital interactions more meaningful and human. As virtual reality gains senses increasingly close to real life, the question arises, if we can feel the touch of others at a distance, how will that change the way we connect in the digital world? Researchers at the University of Tokyo have developed a drone with wings that flap like a falcon's, capable of landing gently on the palm of a hand without the need for padding. It combines human-like movements with flight planning, creating a completely new interaction between drones and people. The drone uses flexible, quiet wings that mimic natural bird flight, making approaches much safer and smoother compared to traditional propeller drones. This innovation enables close interactions, such as landing on someone's outstretched arm, without causing fear or discomfort. Control is completely intuitive. Simple arm gestures are enough. Bending the arm keeps the drone hovering in place, while extending the arm signals it to approach and land. An 8-camera motion capture system tracks markers on the chest, wrist, and the drone itself, ensuring precise real-time commands. The flight algorithm divides the approach into 4 zones, adjusting speed based on the distance to the user's hand to guarantee a smooth landing. Even if the hand gets very close to the chest, the drone automatically pauses, prioritizing safety. Tests show that the drone can follow its planned trajectory with impressive accuracy, landing extremely smoothly without sudden movements. This technology opens doors for future applications, such as delivering small packages in urban areas or assisting people with limited mobility. With drones becoming increasingly precise and safe, the question arises, how far can we take human interaction with flying machines in our daily lives? In China, the company PNDbotics showcased 2 impressive humanoid robots at WAIC 2025. Adam, a full-body robot, and Adam U, its data capture version. They not only move with almost human-like fluidity, but can also dance and play instruments live, demonstrating the cutting edge of robotics and artificial intelligence today. Adam stands 1.6 meters tall, weighs 60 kilograms, and has 44 degrees of freedom, allowing incredibly precise movements. Equipped with high-sensitivity actuators, arms with 5 degrees of freedom, and a waist with 3, it can balance, manipulate objects, and respond to complex situations in real time thanks to an advanced network and AI-based control system. Adam U, on the other hand, is a motion capture platform with 31 degrees of freedom, including binocular vision and dexterous hands, designed to train AI algorithms and enhance learning through imitation. It can manipulate objects, hang clothes, and even dance, all with controlled precision, ideal for research labs in the development of intelligent robots. During the event, both robots demonstrated synchronized and impressive movements, interacting with live music and seamlessly combining cutting-edge hardware with AI. Atom's modularity allows it to adapt to diverse environments, maintaining stability even in crowded or uneven spaces. The demonstration proved that humanoid robots are not just machines. They are evolving to perform complex tasks with grace and near-human precision, paving the way for future applications in entertainment, service, and scientific research. If robots can already dance and play like human musicians, the question arises, how far can this synergy between robots and AI transform our daily lives? So, did you enjoy the content? Then make sure to subscribe to the channel. This helps more technology grow and reach more tech enthusiasts. On your screen, there are 2 recommended videos, one from the main channel and another from our Shorts channel, featuring straight-to-the-point tech news. Pick one and keep following the latest from more technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.